Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish oil. Start by choosing fresh fatty fish and inspecting for freshness, then rinse and pat dry. Prepare a clean workspace and sterilize utensils to reduce contamination risk. Maintain low, steady heat during extraction to protect delicate omega-3 while separating oil from solids. Cool and strain thoroughly, then label containers with date and storage instructions to ensure safety and quality for future use. In this video, I will show how to make fish oil. Choose a method that matches your goals and tools, such as cold press, warm rendering, or professional solvent extraction. For home use, warm rendering at low temperatures gives a good balance of yield and quality without special machinery. Monitor heat carefully, skim off solids, and strain multiple times to clarify the oil. Cool samples and taste for off flavors before bottling to ensure acceptable quality. In this video, I will show how to make fish oil. After extraction, allow oil to settle and decant to separate remaining solids and water. Filter the oil through fine cloth or coffee filter, and consider charcoal filtration for milder aroma without chemical treatments. Always transfer to dark glass bottles, label with production date, and store cold to slow oxidation and rancidity. Regularly inspect for off odors or cloudiness before use, and discard if spoilage is apparent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.